Good morning, children. Today in this class, you are going to learn creating and edit table using Microsoft Word software. Before that, you should know what is table. What is table? It is to arrange information in the form of rows and columns. Rows and columns. These are the two key components present in table. This intersection of row and column is called as cell. Now, we will discuss two different methods in MS Word to create a table. First method, to create a table, you should click on Insert tab. See my mouse. So this area is called as ribbon interface, and this is having many tabs, out of which you should click on Insert tab. And Insert tab, now I am available inside the tables group. See, the only one icon present in tables group is table. The first step is to create a table. You should click on Insert and then you should click on table. If you click on this table, see here Insert table option is having, I am now currently selecting only one box. What it means? My table will have one row and one column. See here 2 cross 1, which means that 2 column and 1 row. 3 column 1 row. So if you want to add many rows, please drag your mouse down. In this way you can choose how many number of rows and how many number of columns you want, and if you click press means it will create table for you. Method 2. In method 2, same way. Click on insert, click on table, and instead of choosing grid boxes here, you should go the icon insert table. If you click on insert table, the small dialog box will open, and in table size, it is asking you to feed input for number of columns and number of rows. So if you give 5 rows and 5 columns and 2 rows means it will create 5 cross 2 table for you. Just a second. See, 5 columns with 2 rows inserted. Keep your cursor here. Insert table, click, give number of rows, 3 columns, 2 rows, give OK. Now see, so these are the two ways to create a table. Now the next topic is edit table. So edit means you are going to do some changes to the already existing table. So what are all the changes we can do means inserting a new column, inserting a new row, selecting a single cell, all cells in a row and column, deleting row and column, resizing row and columns. Okay. Now I will demonstrate you one by one. For your convenience, I am created one simple table with 3 columns and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. Now I want to insert a new column in this. For example, session 1, session 2 and session 3, which means that I need a column next to session 2. So what it means? You are supposed to insert a column right of the cursor. So how you will do means you simply place a cursor in this, anywhere in this column, and go to, see here, layout, table tools, design and layout. In this you should choose layout. In layout you are having option called, see here, rows and columns groups, delete and insert. Now what we need to insert right of the cursor. So simply press, see here, the column is inserted. Similarly, if you want to insert a column left of session 2 means simply place the cursor and give insert left. Now the column is inserted. In this way you can insert a new column. Next, if you want to insert new row, how many rows totally above? For example, here in this row I am having Akila. Now I want to add a row above Akila. How can I do means simply place a cursor and then go to layout tab. See here, insert above. If you want row above, click insert above. If you want row below, click insert below. That's all. So for that you place a cursor. First you decide after which row you want to insert a row. So according to that, you first place the cursor and then go to choose whether you need insert above or insert below. That's all. So in this way you can insert new rows into your table. Next one is selecting a single cell. How will you select a single cell? Simply double click on that cell. Okay, simply double click on that cell, or else see here, if I want to select this cell means a small dark color arrow is displaying. If you click on it, the cell will be selected. So in this way you can select a single cell. Now next you want to select a complete row. See, keep your mouse front of, see here, front of a row. Just a second. See, so in this way you can select a row. Now if you want to select a column means, see here, the down arrow. In this way you can select a column. Okay, next, deleting a row and column. Place the cursor accordingly. Suppose you don't want this newly inserted column means, simply place the cursor on that column, anywhere on that column, any cell you can keep the mouse and go to delete. Again, I'm again using the layout tab, especially for table tools, layout, and in this layout click on delete. See, delete column. Now our option is delete column. Now you want to delete row. I don't want this Aquila row. Simply place the cursor anywhere on the row and go to delete. Click delete rows. If you don't want this table means delete table. So entire table will be deleted. Next resizing rows and column. How to resize? You can change the size of each row. See here, now if you want to change the size of the row means, wherever you want to resize, simply place the cursor. Now the mouse pointer will be changed like this. Now click the left mouse button and drag your mouse. See, the row size is adjusted. So in this way you can change the size of the row. Now if you want to change the size of the column means, keep the cursor on the column. Let's see. Now if you drag it, the size of the column will be changed. The simple mouse pointer. You should get this mouse pointer. Please observe the screen. You should get this mouse pointer. If once you get the mouse pointer, simply click the left mouse button and drag it. The size will be changed. Similarly for column, you should keep the cursor and it will be changed. Okay children, now in this class you learned how to two methods of creating tables and how to edit a table by inserting column row, by selecting column row, deleting column row and resizing row and column. Next class we will discuss the remaining things. Thank you.